During the waning days of the Second World War, as Germany faced mounting pressure from multiple Allied fronts, the need for desperate measures became increasingly evident. Despite initial reluctance from Adolf Hitler regarding tactics like suicide attacks, a squadron was formed to prepare for such missions. This squadron, known as the Leonidas Squadron and a part of Kampfgeschwader 200, required volunteers to sign a declaration acknowledging their willingness to participate in suicide missions involving human-guided glider bombs. The concept centered around an aircraft armed with a single 900-kilogram explosive device intended to detonate upon impact with the target, primarily Allied shipping. Among the considered options for such an aircraft were the Messerschmitt 328 and the Fi 103, commonly known as the V-1 flying bomb. Despite early considerations favoring the Me 328, difficulties and political opposition led to a shift toward the Fi 103, which was rechristened as the Fi 103R Reichenberg. Under the supervision of Otto Skorzeny, the Reichenberg project saw development at the German Research Institute for Sailplane Flight in Ainring. Transforming the V-1 into the Reichenberg involved adding a compact cockpit ahead of the pulsejet's intake, where compressed air cylinders were typically housed. The cockpit, equipped with basic flight instrumentation and a plywood bucket seat, offered minimal space for the pilot. Notably, no landing gear was included in the design, emphasizing the aircraft's intended use as a one-way weapon. Operational plans involved He-111 bombers carrying Reichenbergs beneath their wings, releasing them near the target area. Pilots would then guide the aircraft towards the target, ejecting the cockpit canopy before impact and bailing out, though survival chances were estimated to be less than 1%. Training for Reichenberg pilots began with gliders, progressing to adapted gliders for more advanced training. Despite the acknowledged near-certain demise, volunteers were not lacking. However, concerns arose about the project's viability, leading to alternative proposals such as targeting Soviet power stations on the Eastern Front or ramming enemy bombers. Test flights of the Reichenberg faced significant challenges, including crashes attributed to loss of control and difficult landing characteristics. Test pilots like Heinz Kensche and Hanna Reich grappled with these issues, with Reich experiencing multiple crashes but surviving unharmed. Ultimately, Werner Bombach's assumption of command over KG-200 led to the shelving of the Reichenberg project in favor of the Mistel project, as the strategic landscape shifted and suicide missions fell out of favor. The Reichenberg unit was disbanded in March 1945, marking the end of its brief and troubled history. Subscribe to Strategic Chronicles